Hi, this is Alex Masichev of Intvillion, the developers of content management, content automation, and content delivery solutions. In this short video, I am going to show you how a data map can be automatically assembled from individual standalone topics based on a bill of materials. A bill of materials, or BOM for short, is a list of parts that are required to assemble an end product. Our goal is to assemble a data map that includes topics about the parts defined in the BOM. This is a simplified example of a BOM for a washing machine. For the purpose of the demo, we will be using a BOM written in DITA, but it does not have to be specifically in DITA. It can be stored in a PLM system or even in Excel. You can think of a BOM as a filter with criteria that define which pieces of content need to be taken for each particular product. To make this filter work, it needs to be applied to well-structured content in a format like DITA. The content needs to be tagged with metadata that allows an assembly engine to match the filtering criteria defined in the BOM to the certain topics. For example, if the BOM includes a certain model of the motor and there is a topic describing this motor, this topic should be tagged accordingly so that it could be easily found. And if a topic is tagged with another motor, it should not be chosen. So a BOM defines which topics should be picked up. But since a data map assumes that the topics should be put together in a certain order, we need something that defines this order. This is when structured templates come in. A structured template is a data map that defines the outline of a document of a certain type. For example, if you produce user manuals for end users and service manuals for maintenance engineers, all user manuals will likely share the same structure, and all service manuals will share a different structure. You can set up a data map that will not have any references to specific topics, because these references will be created dynamically. Instead, the map will contain only the titles of the sections that should appear in the output document. Let's now take a look at all these components in action. In this demo, we will be using sample content created for washing machines. Topics that describe different models of the washing machines are all stored in the DITAToo content repository. You can see them here. Each washing machine model has an associated BOM. Each topic is provided with metadata that indicates its subject and washing machine parts that it covers. I'm intentionally showing you the metadata in the XML view of the topic rather than in the DITAToo intuitive metadata editor, so you can better understand how it works. The metadata about parts is used to decide whether the topic needs to be picked up from the repository for a particular BOM. The metadata about the subject is used to find a proper location of the chosen topic within the document. The location of the topic within the document is defined by a structured template. We have structured templates for two types of manuals: for all user manuals and for all service manuals. This is a structured template for user manuals. As you can see, the structured template defines where topics with different subjects should go within the manual. And this is a template that defines the order of topics for service manuals. When everything is set up, we can now select a BOM and run a smart transform, which we call Transfer Magic, to assemble a data map. The data map will be put to this folder in the repository. So far, it's empty. We now want DITAToo to assemble a map based on this BOM. It's done, and here is the automatically assembled data map. You can see it's a standard data map that you can now publish to a format that you need. If you have any questions about what you've seen here, please feel free to send us your questions and comments at info@ditatoo.com. Also, we'll be happy to see you in our community in LinkedIn, where we discuss both DITAToo related topics and structured content in general. Thank you and stay tuned!